Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by connecting the hardware so audio can flow. Plug the Xbox headset into the controller or the PC via USB or 3.5mm and pair via Bluetooth if wireless. Install the Xbox Accessories app and run Windows Update now because drivers matter for microphone routing. Once done, open sound settings to see inputs. Do this first to avoid confusion later. Drivers and apps support the digital handshake between devices, so make sure device firmware is current before proceeding. Next, you'll tell Windows which mic to use and why that choice matters. Open sound settings, pick the Xbox headset as the input, and set it as the default device. This ensures apps receive the right audio stream. Adjust input volume to around 50 to 70% and test with the Windows microphone test so levels aren't clipping. Also, disable built-in mics to avoid echo. Once validated, configure specific apps, Discord, Teams, or games to use the same input to keep consistency. Finish by testing live. Join a voice channel or start an in-game chat and speak. Watch the mute lights and app input meters to confirm sound. If nothing registers, update controller firmware in the Xbox Accessories app and reboot. Firmware fixes many routing bugs. If problems persist, switch USB ports or use another cable, and check Windows privacy settings to allow microphone access for the app. Troubleshooting tip: if you hear others but they can't hear you, the mic is likely muted, misselected, or blocked by privacy permissions.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.